commotion in the ocean. As Healy said, commotion?
Commotion in the ocean.
Commotion in the ocean. Yeah, so you see guys, have to be careful. Smartphone. Commotion in the ocean. And this is the flag. I need to be... You can take a photo. You can give her the phone, yeah? She want to help you take a nice photo. Oh my God, you are so nice here. And officially guys, we are in the bridge. A bridge somewhere around commotion in the ocean. As the lady really said. And commotion in the ocean. And the guys just... Everyone just looks at me. Here we see the flag of Sri Lanka. Just right behind me, guys. Where's the flag? I want to see the flag. Nice one. Oh my God. You can see just right behind me. I think this is the place where people come and celebrate, you know, some kind of festival, public festivals. And also I can show you, these are here. We have 3 dogs. they are relaxing because of the ocean. Commotion in the ocean, so everyone relaxing. Even though the dogs, they're relaxing, they're having a great time. And as you see, yeah, people are cycling. We are in a very, very, you know, famous place. El Plaza La Famosa, as we said in Español. Hablar española en poco. Uno en poco. And there's people down there. You see. Oh, nice. I love it. I love it. You see, the weather here is cool. The weather here is nice. And everyone just enjoying his time. As you see. Haley, she's really having a great time. These ladies there, Sri Lankan ladies, they love her. They want to take photos. And for me, I look like a strange person. Yeah, I do look like them, my color. Sorry. When the first time I come to the city, like everyone just asks and say, man, are you Sri Lankans? And I said, no. Why? Because I look like them. All looks the same, Sri Lankans and mine. So I love the place anymore. Enjoying. Really having a great time. Having a great time. See, the ocean. Never been in an ocean like this. At least when I traveled to Malaysia, that was the same, I think. The island, because Sri Lanka is an island. It's a small island that's located in the Bengal Oceans, and it has borders with India, with Maldives. But I don't know which direction it is now. I think this way or this way is Maldives. And the right behind me is the biggest square around the ocean, around the sea, where everybody come and enjoying and having a great time. How are you guys? See, everyone just nice and saying hi, as am I. Right back here. That's the flag. Fishes. Nice.